I'm gonna show you all how to use one of these drain augers, or what we call snakes. And I'm going to be cleaning out a kitchen sink drain that's running to the main line. So I'm gonna run these snakes. We'll run a snake through the access hole, see if I can find this clog or the stoppage. Show you all how to do this. This is the drain here. This is the access to it, and it looked like this is a I think this is 1.5. This one here, I just can't see it. Yeah. This is going to be 1 5/8. So I'm gonna say that's a 1.5 inch pipe, close to 2. I have my different snakes that I use. This is a 1/4 of an inch. This is 25 feet. This is 50 feet, 3/8 of an inch. This is 25 feet, 3/8 of an inch. This is 50 feet, 1/2 inch. And this is 1/4 of an inch, 10 feet. Because of the size of the hole, this is gonna be too little. It's gonna kink up. This one is perfect for the size of this hole. You use this one up to a 2-inch pipe, and this can get down and grab the stoppage with this part right here. So what I'm going to do is feed this line into the pipeline, and hopefully I can get this clogged probably around 20 feet down the drain. I'm gonna feed this in until feel some resistance. You'll be able to feel it when it's going to stop at the clog. We're like 40 feet inside that line. So what you do is this handle that comes with it, twist it, and go off the line, and you just go through. Just go through. Yeah, just go through. Well, that was it. Like 45 feet now. This is how much of that line is left. And that's a 50-foot cable. Twist it a little. Make sure I get everything. I can feel it going through, so that line should be clear. So, pull out your table. Food that got stuck up in there. It wasn't grease, but it was some kind of food. Yeah, it looked like some kind of food and grease that went through. But the line is clear. That's how you use that one of these drain augers, what we call a snake. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Come back and check and see what other things I might be posting. Thank you.